My name is Ashley, and I work at Elim Bible Institute in college, and I'm here with our ministry director, Matthew Slisher, to discuss some of the practical ministry opportunities that are available at our school. So, Matthew, what ministry opportunities are available to our students?
That's a great question, Ashley. And there are basically two parts to the practical ministry opportunities that we provide for Elim students. One of them is a 3-week ministry internship in New York City. And the second one is our weekly student ministry assignments that every student is required to participate in throughout the year.
Cool. Can you tell us a little bit more about what the New York City internship would look like?
I'd be glad to. This is actually, I love this internship. It's so powerful. It's an opportunity for to go with your whole freshman class down to New York City. You're there with the New York School of Urban Ministry. You're doing ministry together on the streets, ministering to the homeless in the soup kitchens, evangelizing, and just really getting a heart for the lost. And it's just a really powerful and life transforming experience.
That's awesome. And you also mentioned the second opportunity, which is student ministries. Would you like to tell us a little bit more about that?
Right. Yes, student ministries are great because these are more local in our area, where we have already established relationships with local and regional ministries just within anywhere from a 15-minute to a half-hour drive from the Elim campus. And so every week you're going to be assigned to a student ministry team. That could be teaching Sunday school, that could be working in the children's ministry, youth ministry, leading worship, or working with the homeless, doing work among the internationals in our community. So there are just a ton of opportunities that students are able to be involved with right here in our own backyard. Many students actually find their ministry calling through their student ministry involvement throughout their Elim experience.
That's great. Well, thank you so much for sharing these ministry opportunities with us. If you have any more questions as a student who's thinking about Elim as an option, feel free to contact our ministry director at ministry@elim.edu. We look forward to hearing from you.